Hello guys and welcome to another Bill's Got Stars episode. Today we're doing a bit of a, what's it called, Ron?
No!
She's like, stop, mom!
This is just like a crazy video because
Yeah.
we like trains, so.
Okay, I'll try and do it. You're gonna be mad.
Shut up!
Mom!
Oh, that banged.
She didn't bang at all!
Hello there.
Hello? Hello? Who's a pretty birdie?
Grace, come here.
Who's a pretty birdie? Hello?
Grace, say something.
Grace, say something to the world, Grace.
Hello?
Yes, that was my sister. And that is the end of the very, very, very short vlog.